So have you ever stayed in a bad situation just because you've already put so much time and money into it? That's actually called the sunk cost fallacy. It's a common mistake that keeps people from cutting their losses, whether it's a bad investment or a job that's going nowhere. The Kaizen philosophy is about relentless, continuous improvement and knowing what to remove. Sometimes the best way to get 1% better is to let go of 100% of what's holding you back. I really like that, so let me say it again. Sometimes the best way to get 1% better is to let go of 100% of what's holding you back. When what's something you're finally ready to let go of, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the description for a link to the free Kaizen Kickstart checklist. Thanks for watching. Boom!